inclined slope, but not as popular. Cross country is a thing here, and they have over 50 lakes here, so many of them freeze, so it becomes ice skating lake. And like the next time we're coming up, the St. Martin town, hot spring. Come up here for all that. In the summer, in their coordinated outfits. It's Roman's favorite. This is one all by himself. Nobody to coordinate with. And started the town because people started to come here to get blessed by her and healed from various ailments. And again, it didn't hurt that this is a hot spring town. You can stay. And here, once every 3 years, they have their festival, which combine three of their favorite things: their horses and Virgin Mary. So it's called the blessing of the horses. Plus, the third thing is their orchestra. They have one of the most prominent ones here in this town, for the Black Forest Orchestra. So all together, they have a parade. And on the street we are going down on in a bit is where they will be parading. Last year was 2 years ago, so next one is next year. So if you want to come back, it's the first weekend of September. And they also, this little sign you might notice, is they have a clock museum here, supposed to be the oldest existing cuckoo clock, made in the 1700s.
Oh wow.
Fancy cars. Is a Mitsubishi one. They're trying to push an agenda, selling their pickup trucks. Look at that. People here still don't like pickup trucks because they have this understanding or beliefs that if you want to buy a car, why you want to get a half of one? So it's really not very common. They get a van usually, and if they need to haul things, they just use a proper trailer. Besides, you don't have to hustle, so you could pick up something and just leave it in there for a minute.
Okay, there we go guys. Nandito na tayo sa Black Forest. They call it where they make the cuckoo clock, the glass blowing. Oh wow.
Right, I think we all that's
Oh wow, look at this. Alright, we're entering the cuckoo clock. Cuckoo! Oh my god, it's so good. This is so amazing. Grabe talaga guys. Ang ganda talaga dito guys. Tingnan nyo ang mechanism ng cuckoo clock. At ito yung mga whole product ng cuckoo clock. Grabe ang details.
If anybody is interested in them, they're actually in that corner of the building on one of the displays in an orange box like this. So that's what you're looking for if you are interested.
so where do you all come from? Which country? USA?
USA?
Ireland. Ireland also, okay. Australia, alright, all over the world.
Start by showing you a replica of the first clock made here in 1640. It's a very simple clock made completely out of wood, and inside there are 3 wooden wheels as a mechanism. Down here there's a stone for a weight, which you have to find out because 10 times every day.
Oh wow.
There's a wooden beam as a balance to adjust the speed of the clock, because pendulums were known back then. And also, as you can see, this one has only one hand, so sometimes they have to do a little guessing. Can you maybe tell me what time is showing now? Exactly two. 10 past is better, yeah. Because this is two here, right? And then this dot under will include the 30 and those two. So it's from 210 to 15. It's not so accurate, which means that sometimes you could be 20 minutes late to work and nobody would know. Still, it's a first generation, so there's no Cuckoo at all. But then, around 70, they start running clocks with painted face known as shield clocks. And they now have two metal links, pendulum and movements, so they are now more accurate. And inside they have metal mechanisms, which are made out of brass and stainless. That's what is important here. So for the first time, we have a Cuckoo. The Cuckoo comes out one time on every half hour, but on the hour, he counts the time. So 5 times, 6 times, and so on. So basically, he tells you the time. And then here we have a special shade clock. And you can see on the top this poor guy working in the workshop. And behind him there's a lady standing. And guess what? She's got something like this. As a mother here. So you guys sit on top of the roof and eating dumplings. Now it's 6, so we can 6 pieces. And then the first clock with car rings appeared around 1860, and it was this one here, which is known as a train station clock. That was at the time when trains first started come here to the Black Forest, and also the design on the front represents a railway track.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
later, after some time, they started to make clocks with more car rings and more details like this one here. And to make something like this, it takes around 6 to 8 weeks.
Wow.
So now let's see how they are made. First step is to choose the wood. This is known as lime wood. Some also call it basswood. In Germany it's known as linden wood. It's all the same. It's a very soft wood, ideal for carving, and it needs to be dry for about 4 years.
Oh.
Once it's dry, we take a stencil, place it onto the front, and spray the shapes which we have to cut out. And these shapes are cut out using a saw, and it's the only part of clockmaking where machines are used. Everything else is done by hand. Once those shapes are cut out, we have something like this, and then we can start to carve. And carving is done by locals. Of course, mostly during winter, there are some extra money. And to carve, they are using around 40 different tools and chisels, similar to the ones used in the And sometimes, they also use tools like this.
Yeah. That's very important too.
So I get some inspiration and the right tools, we have carvings like this.
Oh, wow.
And nowadays, we have around 40 to 45 families going to carve. Otherwise, it's not one for their outfit. I'm going to play it now for you, but it's not so loud. Here. You sure? Maybe you're the one playing the drum.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can hear. Yeah, very light and very soft.
Not so loud.
Yeah.
No.
No?
We need something to amplify. So you put it here.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah.
Because in this case, we use wood as an amplifier. So wood vibrates, resonates the sound, and that's why it's
Oh. Yeah.
And now, maybe the most interesting part is how do we get a cuckoo sound. In each clock, there are 2 bellows. And then here on the side, they have a small opening that allows air to go in and out of the bellow. And this material on the top, this is a combination of cotton and nylon. So it's a very strong and long-lasting material. Back in the days, they used to make these out of goat skin. But goat skin dries out after some time, so that's why they're now using a combination of cotton and nylon to last longer. And there are 2 different bellows with different stones. So we have this one, and this one. We put them together, we have a cuckoo sound.
Oh, wow.
For bigger clocks, we have bigger bellows and they have bigger sound. And also,
Oh, my goodness.
we call baby cuckoos.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Cute.
Now this has a switch on the side, so you can turn off cuckoo and use it, for example, at night when it's used, so it doesn't wake you up. While the battery-powered ones have light sensor on the side, so they will shut off all the sound automatically at night, so you don't really have to worry about that. And also, we can clock with music. So once we choose the weights, they have automatic night off as well.
Beautiful.
Yes. Okay guys, papakita ko sa inyo guys ito. Dito, nag-excursion kami dito. It's beautiful valley. Oh. Here is the Cuckoo Clock. It's actually working right now. Look at that guys. And then the blowing glass here. May mga decorations sila dito. Beautiful roses. Okay, pasok naman tayo dito sa blowing glass. Glass manufacturer. Yan, doon ay ang Cuckoo Clock. And then here is the museum of the Cuckoo Clock. Daming mga ano dito guys, glass blowing. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, it's opening. Yeah. Alright, this is cool.
Is it gonna do 11 times? Yeah, 11 times.
Oh,
Maybe the dancers are going to dance. There they go.
Oh, the dancers are doing
yeah.
dance.
You've got sponge cake, things like this, with the white shirt and the red military on top. It looks a lot like a red pom-pom. Also, does anyone know the meaning of the red pom-pom?
All right, back to the bus. Here's our bus, 47B.